In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text in Google Slides using the Word Art feature. This can add a vibrant and modern touch to your presentations, making them visually engaging and professional. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting or a classroom presentation, this trick will elevate your design. Let's dive right in and transform your text with beautiful gradients. First, you'll want to begin by inserting a Word Art object. To do this, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert, then look for Word Art. This feature allows your text to stand out with more formatting options. Once you've done that, simply type in the text you want to feature and press Enter. After the text appears on your slide, you can choose a font that best fits your style or the theme of your presentation. Remember, selecting the right font can significantly impact readability and the overall aesthetic. Next, let's make sure our text looks polished and clean. One way to do this is by setting the border to transparent. This step helps in keeping the focus on the text itself rather than any outlines, giving it a more refined appearance. Now, let's move on to what you're really here for, adding the gradient. Start by clicking on your Word Art to select it. With it selected, you'll see various formatting options appear. Locate the Fill Color option, which is usually represented by a paint bucket icon. Once you've clicked on it, you're going to select Gradient from the list of options. This is where the fun begins. You can either choose from a selection of preset gradients, which are predefined color combinations, or you can create your very own custom gradient. For a more personalized touch, let's explore how to make a custom gradient. Click on Custom, and you'll enter a new menu where you can add gradient stops. These stops allow you to insert new colors and adjust their positions on the gradient spectrum. Experiment with different colors and see how they transition from one to another. Adjust the positions of these stops until you achieve the effect you're looking for. You also have the choice between linear and radial gradients, which will change the direction in which your gradient flows. If you opt for a linear gradient, try adjusting its angle. This can dramatically change the look and feel of your text. Finally, consider adding some finishing touches. For a more dynamic and layered effect, try duplicating your Word Art and offsetting the duplicate slightly. You can then apply a different color and transparency setting to this layer to create a shadow effect. This can add depth and make your text pop even more. And there you have it, a detailed guide to creating stunning gradient text in Google Slides. Remember, the key is to experiment with different color combinations and effects to find what works best for your presentation. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting!